Good morning guys, another day, another vlog. So on today's video, I'm going to put together the trellis that we got from Amazon, and I'm going to put it right there. I already measured the area, and yeah, so I'm going to put it there. So on today's video, we're going to do that, and then I'm going to work with this one. But so when I work with that one, I'm going to remove some of the stick from here. So I need 2 of those so I can work with that pool for the maybe tomato or cucumber or whatever, I don't know. But for sure I'm going to plant here the corn, and then tomato, and then maybe here cucumber or something else. And our trellis would be what should I gonna put with our trellis? String beans and our squash. So no further ado, let's get started so we can finish this out. I had trellis for my string beans. Assemble that one to here, and I'm going to put this together. I'm done assembling the trellis. So this is the trellis looks like. So I'm going to bury the stick, and then after that we're going to put the net. and it's ready to go. And it's done. Just need to put this knit. So I already assembled the trellis and it's done. And I put the knit here, you see. So I dig a hole almost 1 foot and I put the trellis legs or the sticks. And so this is the trellis looks like. And our raised bed garden is here. It's nice though. I'm excited for our string beans. Yeah, it's nice. So guys, I already assembled the trellis and you can walk inside the trellis. It's exciting. And here you go. And our raised bed garden is here. So that's it for this video and see you next time.